what is happening with Dogecoin right now? Currently sat at a $38 billion market cap, the leader in the meme coin space, but yet still currently quite underpriced in my opinion. In all time, it's actually up a ridiculous amount. In the last year, it's actually up 147%. In the last month, it's up 18%. In the last 7 days, 13%. And in the last day alone, pretty much break even. Okay, so basically, this is showing us that there's a gradual uptrend and sort of a flat line in the price over the last day, which with Bitcoin smashing 120K, challenging all-time highs, that's very, very bullish for a meme coin like Dogecoin, okay? So seeing this thing exploding up here over the last sort of few days, coming into that October situation here, it's actually a very, very, very bullish sign for this asset to be holding this price here and not really seeing that much of a catalytic pullback, okay? So it's pretty good stuff. And you can see Doge mining firm secures a $2.5 million expansion loan, which is very, very bullish for the old Doge as well, okay? So that is sort of the update here in terms of the price and what it's doing. Let's go over to the chart and let's see how we can be trading this asset and what direction from a technical analysis standpoint could this thing actually be going in. Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you about a brand new Doge meme coin that I think is going to do insane numbers and do really, really, really well here. And it's actually called Maxi Doge. Now, Maxi Doge is this degenerate Doge character that obviously drinks a lot of Red Bull, degens at 1000x leverage, and really is always after that maxi pump here. And that's essentially what he is going to be doing here with this asset. So you can see it's actually raised $2.7 million. It's trusted by some very, very reputable sources in the space. Now, with an asset that's raised this amount of money, guys, this is why we keep our eye on these things, because it's got that much money, that much backing from a financial standpoint, from a community standpoint, from a business partnership standpoint. Everyone is looking at this project right now. Okay, it's very, very rare that you see a $3 million raise near enough for a meme coin of this caliber. Okay, you see the effort that's gone into this. It's very, very likely that at this pre-sale phase, the price that you're getting in at this stage is just ridiculously low. And when this thing does launch here, which is launching very, very soon, we're likely to see at least a 10 to 100x on our investment getting in at this sort of area, guys. If you guys do want to get involved, all you need to do is connect your wallet. You've got Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, or Base Wallet, and you can actually basically exchange your Ethereum, your stable coins, for Maxi Pump. And then once you basically exchange it for Maxi, you go to staking and you can stake it for rewards or all the way up until launch, guys. So very, very exciting stuff. Massive gains to be made on this project. You can see the effort that's gone into it as well. It's very, very impressive. Anyway, back to the Doge chart and let's see where this coin is going to make some money on the short term. But if you want to make money on the long term, guys, this is the play in my opinion. Huge gains there. Now, let's see what we're working with. So you can see here at this point in time, the high here for the 15-minute chart is going to be tickling up at this area here at 26 cents. 26 cents for here, and naturally we can get a little trend line coming down like so. This does actually create what is commonly known here, if it is going to work, if it's correct, as a bull flag, guys. This is a bull flag. So basically that means that it's a parallel channel. It's a parallel channel at the top of an uptrend that is facing down, a downward sloping parallel channel. This tends to usually mean there is a break to the upside that is about to happen. Okay, and these are the breakout scenarios that you can trade quite nicely, quite cleanly, and usually play out pretty nicely. Okay, so 1.38% there for this next trade for Doge here on the 15-minute. If you look just like on the hourly, on the 3-hour, this is the highest we've been in literally probably a week or so, or probably over a week actually. Yeah, well over a week now, which is a very, very good sign. I know you're thinking, oh, it's only 1.38%. It's not crazy. But that's all you need, okay? That's all you need to make a really, really nice clean trade here. You're 10xing that, guys. That's literally like 13.8% on your investment here. And if you're 100xing that, guys, it's 138%. Absolutely crazy stuff. So yeah, that's the breakout for Dogecoin. Not looking too bad overall. Now, if we are looking for sort of more of a broader sort of price prediction here for this asset, we could see us actually really start to level up here, coming back into this area that we previously spoke about. And that would be basically still inside this green box, challenging the top side of this green box, because you can see that in previous price action, we have had quite a lot of action here in this sort of area in terms of resistance from the top side, in terms of resistance from the bottom side as well, and also there in terms of yeah, breaking out. Okay, so if we can get some sort of breakout scenario happening again. Remember guys, this happened all the way back in the 13th of September. So it's not even a month ago we were at these prices, at these highs. Okay, so you can see all the way up to that level, it's still a 19% move. It's actually ridiculous here for Doge to be getting there, which is very, very likely to happen. Okay, so just keep your wits about you, get ready, because I do think that the Dogecoin here is underpriced, and we are about to see at least a 10% move for this asset. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm super intrigued to know your opinions. That is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Go check out Maxi Doge, guys. All the links are in the description for that. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.